Hi students, problem number 2. A straight metal wire crosses a magnetic field of flux 4 milliweber in a time 0.4 seconds. Find the magnitude of EMF induced in the wire. Very simple problem. We will write the given quantities. So the magnetic flux phi is equal to 4 milliweber. So 4 into 10 power minus 3 Weber. At the time t is equal to 0.4 second. Okay. So we have to find the magnitude of the induced EMF. Actually, what is the expression for the induced EMF? The induced EMF is from Faraday's law and Lenz's law. This is minus of d phi by dt. Is it not? But what is asked here is the magnitude only. It is the magnitude. Therefore, magnitude, okay, of EMF, magnitude of the induced EMF is modulus of epsilon, and this is equal to d phi by dt without the negative sign, So you can also substitute d phi by dt. So this also can be taken as d phi and dt. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 0.4. So magnitude of the EMF is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 4 into, this is 10 power minus 1. So this is 4 into 10 power minus 1. So this is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2. So this is equal to 10 power minus 2 is 0.01 volt. 0.01 volt. Okay, so this is the answer.